Today we're going to be installing this unbreakable screen protector. This one right here is a privacy one, so when it's put on like this, at an angle you can't see the screen at all. Going based off of the box, it has tempered glass protection, ultra clear display, and it's also anti-fingerprint. Inside the box you have this frame or this bracket to help line up your screen protector, and you also have an installation kit to help prep your screen and make sure it's clean before applying the screen protector. So for the installation process, as I said before, it is very straightforward. You're basically just going to grab the bracket, line it up to your phone, and then after that you're going to grab your screen protector and make sure you have the right side up. If not, the camera hole is going to be at the bottom and everything's going to look super foggy. Now for this part, it is sped up because it is kind of a slow process. And as you can see, you're going to have a few air bubbles, but they're super easy to get out. So here's the finished product. The privacy screen works super well. And this one that I have right here is for the iPhone 16 Pro. So you have that little cutout for the dynamic island, but overall super durable and a really nice looking screen protector.